Well, it's the last bucket. Hay dust is too far from the plant here, so let's shut her down. We're starting to get like the Hoffmans here anyway. We're starting to jam up in the tailings conveyor. So I have to push it over the bank because I'm so rich. Not. Neither are they. Oh, that's nice to shut that off though. Pretty cool. It's almost a wheelbarrow full. Didn't take very long. Half an hour, I guess. Which is probably about 6 times as long as it would have taken if I used a shovel, but whatever. It was more fun this way. This little brooder loves sawdust. Need to get the dozer out here now and push it all in a pile so I can finish up. Anyway, it's enough for today though. Cool.